What's up guys, it's John and we're back in my garage with my S2000 and we're back at it again with another installation video. And today we have something that I feel like might not be necessary to do at all, but I think it looks pretty cool, and it all starts off in that box over there. Ooh. That's fancy. I don't even want to touch it, that's how nice it looks. Shout out to Josh at Evasive Motorsports. Every time I order stuff from him, he always hooks it up. Wow, these are pretty hot too. So these are the Evasive GTLM carbon fiber mirrors. I just love the way they look, honestly, especially because they remind me of a GT car. And that's the kind of inspiration I have with my car. So no longer will we have those big bulky S2000 mirrors. The S2000 is just notoriously known to have such a big bulky mirror, and some people like it. I'm not really a huge fan of it. So it's time to replace these and put these carbon fiber mirrors on. And it's going to be pretty easy to do. All you gotta do is remove the door card, and then you have a few bolts that connect the two together with the door. And yeah, so let's get on to it. Now that we're inside the car, this is what it looks like with the spoon mirrors. They are convex, like I was saying earlier, so you do get to see a little bit more of your blind spot area over there. And you kind of turn on this side, and you see a little bit better over there. Now, it made a huge difference when I first put these mirrors on. They are stick-ons, and in comparison to just the factory glass. So this is what it looks like right now. This area right here needs to be wet sanded and buffed out. So I did get my car resprayed maybe a year or two ago, and this is the original paint and this is the new paint that came in. Now there is a hard line that you can see around the mirror caps, so I didn't want to put the mirror on and then have to wet sand and buff everything. Now my friend Giordan is going to come by today and wet sand and buff this whole area, so that way you can kind of get rid of this hard line and hopefully mesh and blend the paint a little bit better. This is the old paint. We do have new paint, so hopefully, you know, when I do put the mirrors on, you don't see like a huge discrepancy between the two layers. But we'll find out, see what we can do, and try and make this whole area work out for the new mirrors, because it's just going to be the slim area right here that the new EVS mirrors will kind of take up. So while I wait for Giordan to come by, I'll start working on the other side. We got the student driver over here.
Sorry, ruined the Honda family.
All good, man.
Got the Toyota
We
here.
still got Toyota though over there.
Oh yeah? Okay, the paint match is not the worst thing. This one I could match really well. Now the problem would be matching the color kind of thing, but
Right.
I think we're good though. But let me not jinx it.
Okay.
I think we're good.
All right.
We'll get there.
It's just the one last bolt, bro. Like, why? Why you gotta make it so difficult? This is such a pain, bro. And I'm small, bro. So I don't know how anyone can do this.
It's hilarious. I think this is how it works, bro.
Uh-oh.
This shit, I don't think that's paint, bro.
No. Don't say that.
Okay, hold on. Let me not say anything first until we take it out fully.
I got it. That's crazy, bro.
Hold on. Yeah, I give it a sauce.
Oh, all the fingerprints.
Yeah, gotta get all the fingerprints. And then this is when you pan to a crazy transition.
Ooh. Alright, let's mock that up. The EVS sticker. What do you think? Should we do it?
What's your thing, guys?
What do you think? You got this one? Oh, that does look pretty nice though.
It's pretty baller.
That looks pretty nice.
It's pretty baller. Yeah.
Jordan, what do you think about these, man?
The holy grail. This is the one.
You peaked.
This is you. I'm not gonna put it on. I just want it.
Is that white or is that silver?
Silver. You see what I'm
Wait,
trying to do
wait,
here,
wait,
right?
wait a minute.
Silver, bro.
If it's...
It is.
Dude, wait, hold up. Put it back to the paint. Alright, I think you're on something. And I'm not against it. I think we should do it.
Alright, let's get it.
Let's do it. Let's
just do it. Oh, you confirm it. I think it looks good right there.
I think a little bit to the right. A little bit to the left. There we go. I think the sticker goes hard. So I was thinking about paint matching these mirrors to the car. And that's pretty baller, and I don't think I should do that. But if the sticker's gray, silver that matches the car, I think that's sick.
It ain't shy no more.
It ain't shy no more?
It ain't shy no more. Come on there, come on down.
Oh!
See you ready?
Oh! That's sick. That looks good. That looks good.
That looks really good.
So this is the visibility that we have with these EVS mirrors, and they are adjustable. What Jordan was telling me earlier is that with his craft square mirrors, you have to adjust this whole housing, whereas this one you can just play around with the angle from inside. So that's pretty neat. As far as visibility goes, it's probably just a little bit less than what I had with the spoon stick-on mirrors, but you know, either way, they do look a lot better than factory. So it's been about a month now since our last clip, and I brought the car to many different places, some nice cruises, some hard drives, and also to a few track events. And I will tell you guys straight up, I love these mirrors. They're so cool. I think it completes the whole look of the vehicle now that it's a certified Street Shark. And you know, those big bulky mirrors in the S2000, they're there, but I think that these mirrors really do complete that cool and sleekness factor for the vehicle. Super satisfied with the mirrors, and they hold themselves up pretty nicely. Like, they don't shake, they don't rattle. I was afraid on the track that the curbing might make the mirrors wobble a little bit, but I really don't see that, and they hold up just fine. I'm really happy with them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for our next mod. Take care.